Pretty. May look ridiculous, but this helps you get all that without opening your mouth wide open. Tell me, is Fuchsia flexing? Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. And you know what? I'm in the process of putting on some makeup, gonna do some hair, but I'm like, let's get these lips together. They're dry and just doing some things. What a good way to close out one year and go into a new year with some smooth and soft lips. Okay, so I don't have anything on my lips right now. It's drier than dry right now, so let's go ahead and hurry up and do this. So what I'm going to do is start off with my Annabelle's Perfect Blend Juicy Peaches Lip Scrub, just to get any dryness off my lips. I get a lot of dryness right here, pills, you know, if I ever put on Vaseline or some chapsticks, the skin will start accumulating in them creases and it's just not cute, and it's looking drier by the second. It's just because I just wiped my lips off. So what I'm going to do is go in with this, and then I need you guys to help me choose what color I'm wearing on my lips. So I got this during one of the Sephora VIB sales. This is my first time getting a Fenty gloss bomb, and I just thought this was cute. This was going to be a Christmas gift, and I was like, girl, you know you want that. Let me get this open. Okay. All right. Ooh. Pretty. This color got my attention, and these I needed because I'm about out of nude colors, particularly this one, and I'm like, I wonder if this is going to be too opaque or what. I've never tried these, so let's go ahead and use the lip scrub first. And if you want to know if it tastes like peaches, sugar, yeah, this is a sugar scrub. I like to twirl my fingers around like that. May look ridiculous, but this helps you get all that without opening your mouth wide open. I think that's enough. I could go wash it off, or I could just go in with some of my good old Vaseline and get it off, or I could just use a piece of tissue. Let's see. Yeah, let's get good old Vaseline. It's good for everything, y'all. Okay. I think I did all right. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and try this one first. We'll go to lightest to darkest, and I don't know how opaque these are. Okay, so there it goes on my hand. Ooh, feels good. Not sticky. Ooh, nice and smooth. And I like the size of the, this is a double applicator, yeah. Okay, let me stop. See? Yeah, this is a good one. And since the skin on my lips, I have a natural built-in liner, I'm not going to add a liner. At least not right now. Oh, that's pretty. It's not sticky. That's good. Okay. And what color is this? Fenty Glow Heat in number 3 or 2. I guess I could have looked at this. It says 3 formulas, 1 glow, 1 gold, juicy lips, irresistible shine, nourishing wear, universal finishing touch. This one was Gloss Bomb Heat and Fenty Glow Heat. Shows like that on my skin, right here on my lips. Okay, let's wipe this off. I like that one, so I can use that color. Or moving on, I can go to the second color, pinky color. Hopefully this is not as opaque as, you know, I want it to be more the color of the inside my lips. And this one is Gloss Bomb Cream in Cupcaking. Okay, so that was Heat, the first one. This is a cream. It might be opaque, y'all. Okay. Okay. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. At least it's moving around my lips real good, not staying stuck in one spot. But it's definitely more opaque, and I probably would add a liner with this one. But I think I'll wear it. I don't know about today, but y'all, I mean, here we go. I really want to keep this on because my lips is getting... First I did a scrub and now this, so my lips is a little raw. Those are 2 down. And last color here, this is one that caught my eye. This reminds me of a color when I really first started wearing lipstick. There was a color, it was a Wet n Wild color, and then there was this color from Fashion Fair back in the days that was like this color. Maybe not sparkly, but this is the reason why I love fuchsia. Okay, so this one is a Gloss Bomb in Fuchsia Flex. Oh, Fuchsia Flex. And I didn't even really pay attention to the name of the color, but you know, it's fuchsia. Okay, so. Tell me, is fuchsia flexing? Fuchsia didn't come to play, okay? Let's put it on. Will this be the color I wear today? Already you can't tell me nothing. Okay. It's not as bright as I thought it would be on my lips, but someone of a lighter skin tone, it may be this bright. What y'all think? So out of these 3 colors, which one do you think I should wear with this eye look? I'm not completely done. I haven't put lashes on or anything else. I need to hurry up though, because you know. So which one? Which one do you think I should wear? Let me know down below. Okay? Let me know down below, from lightest to darkest, which one do you think I should wear with this eye look? Or which one do you think looks the best on me? May or may not wipe this off, I don't know. I may be a little bit too much boldness going on. I haven't even done my hair. Okay, so anyway, y'all let me know. If you haven't done a lip scrub yet, make sure you go ahead and do a lip scrub, whatever you got. This is from Annabelle's Perfect Way. I'll go ahead and leave her website below. And I got the Fenty Beauty Glossy Posse Volume 5. That's what it's titled. Full size gloss bomb trio. I got this from Sephora. So I'll go ahead and leave those links below. Make sure you don't go into the new year 2023 with ashy crusty lips, okay? that's what I'm suggesting from me to you. Anyway, if you haven't already had a chance, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Leave this video a thumbs up if you don't like ashy crusty lips at all, just the same as me, and leave me a comment, okay? Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.